Hello guys and welcome back to Kanjeri Official. So in today's video we're going to look at Ithaga Riene actresses with the Inooro on the show. Number 1 is Nyambu. Her real name is Magdalene and she used to act as a waitress in the Governor's Hotel before they met and fell in love with Nick Ithaga Riene. Number 2 is Karen. Her real name is Susan Joke. On the show, she acts as a no-nonsense governor's wife and the CEO of the 5-star hotel, which she owns with her husband. Number 3 is Wagithi. Her real name is Anna Acheng. She acts as a humble but nosy gardener who works for the wealthy family. Number 4 is Sandra. Her real name is Jacqueline Njoroge. On the show, she acts as a stressed wife who always has issues to solve in her marriage. Number 5 is Mokami. Mokami, her real name is Ness Wanjeri. She is the most hated actress for being nosy and she always messes things up. Number 6 is Leah. Her real name is Catherine Duta. She acts as an innocent girl and she is also a waitress in the 5-star hotel. Currently, she is a depressed young lady who betrayed her boyfriend with Governor Jomo, her boss. Number 7 is Jerry. Her real name is Katarina Keshane. She acts as a nosy nanny who is always popping her nose into her boss's businesses. She is currently the wife to Kimemia, the former Gedesha's workman. Number 8 is Maggie. Her real name is Royce Ngendo. On the program, she acts as a no-nonsense waitress and she is always fighting with her colleague, especially Goge. She is also seen as Nyambu's best friend and she is kind and understanding.